Welcome to Colorize 2D, the innovative add-on for Colorize Pro. Here at Colorize 2D, we're pushing the boundaries beyond traditional texture palettes and stepping into the dynamic world of Sprite textures. Colorize 2D utilizes all the tools provided by Colorize Pro, offering a familiar environment enhanced with our powerful texture processing capabilities. Join us as we explore new dimensions in digital texturing and creativity, harnessing advanced features to transform the way you work with textures.
In a world of gray, you're the painter's brush, sweeping across the canvas in a silent hush. Colors come alive where once there was none. Unity's canvas bright as the sun. Colorize in your hands the world anew. Shades and tones in every hue bring to life what once was dull. With Colorize, the walls never fall. Palette in your grasp, you modify with ease. Texture come to life, a visual breeze. Digital landscapes once bland and dire, now burst with color, passion and fire. From the deepest blue to the brightest red, your creations live its only where you're led. In Unity's realm, with Colorize you tread on the journey where colors vividly spread. Colorize in your hands the world anew. Shades and tones in every hue bring to life what once was dull. With Colorize, the walls never fall. With Colorize, the world's never. Every hue you redefine, a world that's yours, uniquely designed. Shifting scenes from dusk till dawn. Colorize, the magic's drawn. Transform the mundane with ease and grace. A spectrum wide in time and space. Every texture, every shade with Colorize, your vision's made. Colorize in your hands the world anew. Shades and tones in every hue bring to life what once was dull. With Colorize, the walls never fall. In Unity's vast open land, Colorize stands at your command. Paint your dreams, let them unfold in vibrant stories yet to be told.